Hello, everybody. This is Daily Devlog number 13, and it's been a couple days, but today I finally got a chance to do some work. So I have been working on the downloads, as I said I would, and so I eventually kind of settled on this type of structure where I made this diagram, so let me show you this first. So here is the structure, the architecture as it's working right now. So we have CDN, CloudFront, we have this API gateway, and then all of our stuff is inside of a Lambda. And then we have the different services, DynamoDB for handling authentication and some other stuff, SES to handle email when we send it to somebody to authenticate their email. And then we have S3. And so I've been working on these two functions, the download game and download launcher. I think I can, those two. So essentially what I've decided is that it makes the most sense to have just one application for each platform as the launcher, and then the actual game versions will be distributed as zip files, and then those can be unzipped by the launcher automatically and then just ran. This has some convenience factors if you want to take a save and then upgrade it to the next version of the game. That seems easier. It also makes the game file smaller, I'm pretty sure, because the basic thing I'm trying to avoid here is that I don't want to have people have to unzip the file to download the game, which that may seem small to you, but I might have non-technical users at some point. At least that's the hope, right? So making it so they don't have to deal with zip files is good. And by the way, what this red text here, and here, what that means is that is not using a server function, but that is just using the Axum routes. I'm not 100% certain that's the right idea, but it seemed like that was important, at least from some stuff that I gathered on the Leptos Discord. So we have the download game version and download launcher, because I might want these to be called from a situation outside of the website, and my lights are going down on me because it's getting late, but so I've written these two. So here are some of the utilities to download the file from S3 and to grab the session ID from any request. And then I still have some work to do because I need to check that the user, actually I guess I don't need to do it here in this launcher, but when you download the launcher, that's fine. I need to check if the user can download the game version, both if they're authenticated and if the database is updated to show that they've actually bought the game. But here, a lot of this was written using ChatGPT. It's becoming a pretty core part of my workflow. But it's gonna grab the latest version. If you tell it to grab the latest version, it'll grab the latest version. Otherwise, it'll just grab whatever version you told it to grab. Yeah, I still need to make the actual web page. So there's no, I have it running here. I mean, this works. But there's no page that will actually generate the link for you to download the launcher and or game. But that's what I did today and over the past couple of days. Yeah. Thanks for watching.